Mixing. Mixing. Oobleck is not only fun to play, but it's a cool science experiment. It's called a Newtonian fluid. It's a liquid and a solid I told you in the start.